Hi everyone, I'm Bonnie. Today I want to show you how to make Thai-style shrimp cakes. First, let's prepare the shrimp. I'm using frozen shrimp from the supermarket. To defrost them, simply rinse them under warm water. Since they were frozen, the shells are very easy to remove. Peel off all the shells and don't forget to make a small cut along the back to remove the shrimp wing. Rinse them a few more times until they're completely clean. After devining, rinse the shrimp well. I like to use cornstarch to help clean seafood. It removes any impurities and makes the shrimp whiter. Rinse them a few more times until they're completely clean. Then pat them dry with a kitchen towel or clean cloth. This step helps remove any fishy smell. Now, let's make the shrimp paste. I'm using my grandpa's secret technique, no blender needed. Instead of chopping, use the back of a knife to press and smash the shrimp. This method keeps the texture bouncy. If you cut it too finely with a sharp knife, the shrimp won't have that nice firm bite. Just keep pressing until the shrimp breaks down into a paste. Once it's done, only using the back of the knife to dice. For 2 to 3 minutes, or become sticky dough. Time to season the shrimp paste. For about 200 grams of shrimp, add 1 egg white. A pinch of salt, a little white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Use the back of your knife to mix and chop everything together. Keep mixing for about 10 minutes until the shrimp paste becomes sticky. If your knife sticks to it, that means it's ready. Whisk the egg yolk for dipping. Get the breadcrumbs ready. Before shaping, I let the shrimp paste rest in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wet your hands with a little water to prevent sticking. Then roll the paste into a ball and flatten it slightly. I also press a small dent in the center. This helps it cook more evenly. First, dip them in beaten egg. Then coat them with breadcrumbs. If you like extra crispy shrimp cakes, repeat the process. Dip in egg again and coat with breadcrumbs at the second time. Heat a small pot with some oil and check if it's ready. By dipping a chopstick, if you see bubbles, it's hot enough. You can also test with a small piece of breadcrumbs. I prefer pan frying instead of deep frying, so we don't need too much oil. A tip for frying with less oil. Since oil disposal can be tricky, especially overseas, using less oil is a great option. If the cakes aren't fully submerged, you can spin hot oil over them while frying to ensure even cooking. From 200 grams of shrimp, I make about 6 shrimp cakes. They taste amazing with a sweet and sour dipping sauce. Hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.